Barbara.
Baba.
Barbara.
Baba.
Barbara. Are you going to find Barbara in your book?
Baba.
Where's Barbara? Where's Barbara? Who's that?
Who's that, Kylie?
Baba. Baba.
Is that Mama? That's Mama's back?
Baba.
Yeah, that's your back, and that's
Mama.
Mama and Dada. Where's Daddy?
Mama. A baby.
A
A baby.
Yeah, there's the baby.
A baby.
Uh-huh, Daddy's got a baby.
A baby.
Uh-huh. It's baby Kylie.
A baby.
Mm-hmm.
A Baba. A Doodle.
Uncle Joe,
A Nano.
and he's got a meow meow.
A baby.
Yep, there's another baby. That's Grandma Carolyn right there.
A Baba.
There's Barbara. There's Barbara.
Baba.
Barbara. There's Barbara. And there's Daddy. There's
A
Daddy.
baby.
There's a baby.
A Baba.
Where's Barbara?
Oh, Baba. A Baba.
Let's find Barbara.
Baba.
There's Barbara. Do you like looking at Barbara?
Daddy.
Chapstick.
There's chapstick.
Smack your lips. Can you smack your lips? Can you feed your baby?
Like this.
Oh, you're going to put chapstick on your baby. How about feed your baby his baby bottle? It's time to feed the baby.
Nana.
Night-night.
Night-night, baby.
Night-night, baby. Have your baby bottle.
This.
Can you get the lid on? There you go. Feed the baby. Uh-oh. Is the baby drinking?
Bubble.
Bottle. Baby's having his bottle.
Daddy.
Chapstick? Oh, the baby's having chapstick in his ear. Huh. What are you doing? Why don't you give the chapstick to Grandpa? Go give it to Grandpa. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Kylie.
A daddy.
No, it's okay.
A daddy.
Smack those lips. Very good. It's all together.